Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the tags plugin on Windows operating system on Bitnami Stack Redmine. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go to our site, it is RedmineUp.com, and just search for the tags plugin into the plugins section. Then you have to click on download now and then enter your email address. Please don't forget to enable the terms and conditions, otherwise you will not be sent the plugin. Okay, if you have some problems with receiving it, then please don't hesitate to contact our support team here and they will send you the plugin accordingly. Okay, so let's go back and proceed further with the installation. The very first thing that you have to do is to go and open your Bitnami Stack Redmine. In my case, it is Redmine 5. You have to double click on the manager windows and then manage servers tab. Here, please click on start all. So it will start the database as well as the web server. Okay, now everything is fine and running. Let's go and check. Okay, please note that it is my local Redmine testing, so that's why it's the local host here. Please take note that Redmine needs some time to start, so that's why we have to be patient here and just keep refreshing. Yeah, now it is fine. So let's go to administration and then information. This is our current plugins list. So at the end of this video we are going to have the tags plugin here installed. So let's proceed further. Please go back to your downloads folder and just extract the archive. Okay, this is our plugin now. So please copy the folder with Control and copy and then go back to Bitnami Stack Redmine. Then you have to open apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins. So here please just paste it. Okay. So now you have to return to the core Redmine folder and open the use Redmine file. Now you have to change the directory to apps, then Redmine, then htdocs. Okay, so the first command here that you have to execute is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your tags plugin. Okay, it is done. So now we proceed further with the migration command. It is bundle exec rake redmine plugins rails and production. So we now wait for the migration to start. Sorry, we see that we have a mistake in our command. So it is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, however I have written plugins. Okay, so we have a mistake and we are going to correct it now. So it has to be plugins. Okay, please keep in mind that such mistakes could happen, so be precise in writing the commands. Alright, so the migration has just started. And it is successfully done. The last step that we have to do is to go and restart everything. So it is with the restart button. This step is needed because everything needs to be applied, and the only way is via restart. Okay, it is now running, so let's go and check. Okay, as we have said into the beginning of the video, Redmine needs some time to start. So we have to be patient again and keep refreshing. Okay, so we see that our tags plugin is now appearing in the list. So we have successfully installed the tags plugin on Windows operating system using Bitnami Stack Redmine. I hope this video was very helpful for you. And if it does, then you could check other videos in the articles of the documentation. So, thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.